If you clicked on this video, it means you are interested in making passive income. Don't we all? Earning passively is one of the best ways to build wealth. An extra $100 every week could go a long way in settling those extra bills. In this video, we are going to explore 5 passive income business models that you may want to consider. I will be breaking down each model to the costs and skills required to set up and maintain. Without further ado, let's get it on. 1. A rental model. Most people are not sure they want to spend a huge amount of money on a car, property, or high piece of equipment. It doesn't feel right buying a piece of machinery if you'll only use it a few times a month. A lot of people also don't want to have to deal with the hassles of maintaining such properties. So instead of buying a wedding gown that you can only use once in a lifetime, why not rent it? Instead of buying a boat when you only go fishing once in 3 months, why not rent it? If you've ever lived in a rented apartment, leased out equipment, or put a spare room up for rent on Airbnb, then you should be familiar with the rental model. This model involves buying a property or equipment, typically of high value, and then renting it out to others on a short-term basis. Investment options in the rental model usually require a high upfront monetary cost, and this is why most people shy away from it. For example, purchasing a property to put on rent is usually very expensive and requires a high salary to get a mortgage. Once you get past the initial cost of purchasing a property, renting it out shouldn't be a problem. In addition to the upfront monetary cost, properties in the rental model often require a minimal ongoing monetary cost. Once in a while, a pipe may leak, or your property may need some routine maintenance. The profits you get from renting out your property should be enough to cover these costs though. Unless you decide to hire a property manager to take care of things for you, you will need some knowledge of property management and relationship management to get things going. Do you have a property you think you can rent out? 2. Investing model. Just like the rental model, the investment model has been around for a very long time. It involves buying ownership in something which has the potential of generating money over time. Index funds, managed personal funds, stocks, bonds, peer-to-peer lending, and investing in a business are all examples of the investment model. When it comes to investing, the more you put in, the higher your profits. Whilst it's possible to start small and then grow along the way, this model usually requires medium to high upfront monetary cost. You will need to invest a decent amount of money if you want to make reasonable profits. Apart from management fees, in the case of managed personal funds, the investment model is a set and leave option. You will, however, need some basic knowledge on how to choose the right business or industry to invest in, as well as how to perform market and stock analysis. 3. Digital product model. The third passive income model is what I like to call the digital product model. You don't need to own a property or invest in stocks to make passive income. The world has gone digital to the point that people are earning 6 figures from the comfort of their homes. Things like ebooks, mobile apps, design templates, WordPress themes, plugins, stock music, and photography, affiliate sites, niche marketplaces, and lead capture websites are all examples of digital products. In comparison with the rental and investing models, this model does not require a lot of startup capital. I mean, it's possible to publish an ebook for free. Although it's possible to build a website or publish an ebook for less than $100, you will need to put a lot of upfront energy in assessing the market and creating something of value. I have noticed that a lot of people try to cut corners here by trying to do everything themselves or by hiring cheap professionals to get the job done. Before selling a digital product, ensure you do your research and don't just follow the crowd. 4. Digital presence model. In addition to selling digital products, people now sell digital presence, and this is one of the best ways to make passive income. In this model, you'll be advertising to an audience of interested followers. Top bloggers, vloggers, and Instagram celebrities are all in the business of selling digital presence. Because they have provided value or entertainment for so long and built an audience of loyal followers, companies are more than willing to pay to advertise on their pages. The digital presence model is the only option on this list that does not require any upfront monetary cost. Creating an account on YouTube, Instagram, or any other social media is totally free. With time and as you start monetizing your channels, you may decide to upgrade your equipment. However, always ensure that your content is top-notch. 5. The physical product model. Nothing beats a good old physical product model. In this model, you'll be buying and selling physical products, online and offline. Fashion accessories, electronics, and furniture will always be in demand. In addition to having a physical outlet, sites like Shopify have made it quite easy to develop a fully functional online store without any technical knowledge. To make a significant income from the physical product model, you will need to invest some money into buying in bulk. Don't forget to consider your storage options. You don't want to sell a product that nobody wants, so don't forget to do your research before choosing a niche. So there you have it. These are some of the passive income models that you can adopt to make money.